Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make my all-time favorite macaroni salad recipe. Macaroni salad is one of my favorite summer side dishes. It is so light and colorful, and it is so simple to make. The first thing you'll need to start with is 8 ounces of macaroni noodles. Cook these according to your package instructions, and then immediately rinse them in cold water and drizzle them with a teaspoon of olive oil and stir them up really well so that they don't stick together while you're preparing your other ingredients. Next, you'll need a half cup of finely chopped sweet pickles. For me, this is usually about 4 to 6 of those small sweet gherkins. Chop them up and add them to a large bowl with your macaroni noodles. And then add 1/2 of a diced red pepper, 1 finely chopped celery stick, and a 1/3 cup of finely diced red onion. Finally, I like to dice and add 2 hard-boiled eggs. At this point, you can also add cheese if you'd like, but I usually just stick with these basic ingredients I've just shown you. And now let's make our dressing. For my macaroni salad dressing, I always start with 3/4 cups of mayonnaise. I like to use olive oil mayo, but regular is just fine. Next, I'll add a 1/4 cup of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle juice, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Now for the spices. I like to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I also like to add just a dash of crushed red pepper for a little extra heat. Now we will whisk these ingredients together really well, and then we'll pour the dressing over the rest of the macaroni salad ingredients. Now use a large spoon or a spatula to stir everything together really well. And that is all there is to making my all-time favorite macaroni salad recipe. As you guys just saw, this is so simple to make. Now you can serve this macaroni salad right away once you've finished mixing everything together, but I do like to chill mine in the fridge for about an hour or so because it gets all of the ingredients at the same temperature, nice and chilled, and it helps the flavors to really develop. I really hope you guys will try this out and let me know what you think. I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.